how to back up everything on your Android phone. This includes your Wi-Fi password and every password of your app that you use on your Android phone. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, launch your phone settings, then scroll down, then go to System and Updates, then scroll down, then you will come here to backup and restore. Tap on it. Or if you are unable to find this option, you need to search it on your phone settings, backup and restore, or you can even search backup. Now once you are here, you will see Google Backup. Just tap on Backup to Google. Then you need to turn on this button, Backup to Google. As you can see, automatically back up device data such as Wi-Fi passwords and calls history, and app data such as settings and files stored by app remotely. So when you turn this on, this backup will be, your data and information will be backed up to Google automatically. So turn that on, then go back. So just tap on backup account, then choose the Gmail that you want your backup to go to. So you'll choose that Gmail. So all these things will be back up to your Gmail account. So you just need to turn on. Then all of your data will be backed up to that Gmail account. But if you want to back up to any other external device, you will need to tap on data backup at the top there. Then external storage. Then you can choose memory card or USB storage. You just need to tap on that. Then you'll be able to back up your data on your Android phone. Now if you found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys.